Hello, thank you for joining me. Here's a very short video on how to pair a new coil with your WS6 Master. Let's get into the video. So how do we tell our WS6 Master that we've got a new coil? Really simple. Menu, scroll down until you see pairing, press and hold the cogwheel to enter the sub menu, scroll down until we see a blank spot, press and hold the cogwheel to access the sub menu, and we need to put our coil serial number into this. So all we do is 40C182 is my serial number. Next one O, next one C, next one 1, next one 8, and the next one is 2. So we press the tick and we will get no coil come up to start off with, and then there it is, it's seen the coil and you're all good to go. That's how to pair your new coil up with your WS6 Master. Well, that's really easy, but what if we wanted to delete a coil? Just go into menu, pairing, press and hold it, find the coil you want to delete, press and hold it again, hit the backspace so you're right at the beginning, start off with a 0 and then give every digit a 0 and accept it. Do you want to delete? Yes. And that's our coil deleted. So if you no longer have a coil on your system, just simply delete it. So that's the WS6 Master. How about pairing a new coil to the RC? Let's go. Just go into options, pairing, find a blank spot. There is edit 40 C 1 8 2, validate. Then all we need to do is press the back button to get into the main screen. There you go, it's just seen the serial number there. Well, if you found that all a little bit too confusing, let's do it the easy way. Why not let the machine pair the coils for you? To pair your new coil automatically, it's really simple. All we have to do is go into options, scroll down until we see pairing, select, scroll down until we find an empty coil slot. There it is. Now what we have to do now at this point is put the coil on charge. As you can see there, the coil's not on charge. Just simply put the coil on charge, the light will come on, and there it is. Your new coil is now connected and ready to go. Well, that was the DEUS II RC. What about the WS6 Master? Do we use the same technique? Go into pairing, press and hold, scroll down until you find an empty slot, press and hold, and then put your coil on charge, and there it is. Your coil's been detected and you're ready to go. Well, there you have it, all paired up and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, bye for now.